my brand new 100% free collection. It is called Here Comes the Sun, and it is so beautiful and bright and sunshiny. If you know about my stuff, you'll know that everything I do comes on printable sheets for hybrid scrapbookers, as well as regular files for digital scrapbookers too. So these are the printable sheets for the Here Comes the Sun collection. Now, the Here Comes the Sun collection comes in 3 pieces. One piece is available in my store at tracireed.com. One piece is available in my store at sweetshopdesigns.com, and the other piece is available via my newsletter for my newsletter subscribers only. So there's part 1, 2, and 3. So I will leave a link in the comment section below in the description box for a central place where you can grab all the links to all 3 sections, and let's talk about what you get. So I'm going to unbox this as a whole thing rather than separating it by piece, but piece 1 comes with 5 papers in both 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook size. Sorry, you guys. 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook size. It comes with 2 journaling cards and one sheet of printable stickers. The part 2 comes with 5 12 by 12 papers in 5 papers in both 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook. I think you're seeing a theme here. 2 journal cards and all of the digital embellishments. And then part 3 comes with 5 papers in 12 by 12 and traveler's notebook size, 2 journal cards, and a sheet of planner stickers. So, I have printed out the planner stickers as cardstock stickers here, cardstock die cuts here, not just stickers. So you can use them either way. So let's look at all of the papers first. So this collection is full of rainbows and sunshine. So I love the color palette. Let's check that out first. So we've got a rainbow of colors. You can't see the blue very well in this one, so let's look at them together. This paper is actually a single arched rainbow, but I just mirrored it horizontally in Photoshop and printed out 2. So now I've got a full rainbow. So it actually only comes as the 1 though. There is this cute blue polka dot, and you will notice on all of the papers that they are a bit mixed media heavy, and so there's a lot of texture and some grunge. This one has newsprint in the corners on the white, and everything looks sort of painty, watercolory. Here you go. This one has a nice bit of grunge to it, and you can see that the actual plaid is paint strokes as well. Had to add in some black and white because that's my thing this year. So we've got black and white stars, little tiny pink floral, butterflies, of course, because sunshine, rainbows, and butterflies go together. I love this black ink along the edges. There's some rainbows. You can see if you look up nice and close that they are all painted. Green pinstripe. A black and white floral. I love those daisies. Plaid. And again, all of these papers are spread out among all 3 pieces. So if you grab all 3 pieces, you will get all of the papers. I love this scribbly floral. This is so fun to make. Chevron with paint strokes. You can see that they're in a rainbow order because this collection is all about rainbows, and you know I love a good rainbow. Speaking of, the rainbow goes this way. So pink to blue, and then hearts. So those are all the papers in the collection. There are a total of 6 journal cards spread among the collection, 3 designer cards and 3 journaling cards. So we've got Here Comes the Sun, Little Darling. You can see this is a very hippie vibe collection. That chevron makes a really cool journal card too. Bob Marley says every little thing is going to be all right. More journaling. Good vibes, welcome. I don't ever love the sentiment good vibes only because I don't think that that's very accurate to real life, and also only inviting good vibes into your life is a recipe for disaster. So I chose Good Vibes Welcome instead. And the last journaling card. I love the pops of black and white in this collection. So there are 6 altogether. All of the collections, the Traveler's Notebook size papers and the journaling cards are on printable sheets, so you don't have to fuss with creating your own printable sheets or just printing 2 journal cards at once. There's one file that includes both the journaling cards and the Traveler's Notebook for that collection on a printable sheets. So here is the sheet of stickers, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see better. Ooh, there we go. So you get 1 full sheet of stickers as opposed to the 3 sheets of stickers that I normally include in my collections. But of course, this is a smaller collection spread out among 3 different kits. So got 2 tags, lots of journaling bits because I like to make sure that you are covered for journaling bits and for word art. Then we've got some hearts as well. When nothing is sure, anything is possible. Daydream believer. Taking chances. After the rain, search for rainbows. Time enjoyed is never wasted. Some tabs as well. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a weekend. Love that. Free as a wildflower. Let joy be your compass. Relax and enjoy this day. This day is ours. Dreaming of a brighter tomorrow. I've got sunshine. Move that over. Enjoy your one gorgeous life. Beautiful day. And in the moment. So those are all of the stickers included in part 1 of the collection. This one is available on tracireed.com. And then in part 3, which is available, if you sign up for the newsletter, you will get an autoresponder that once you have confirmed your subscription, that has a code to pick up part 3 for free. So part 3 has papers, journaling cards, and a sheet of planner stickers, which I have printed out as die cuts because I just wanted to print them as die cuts. I prefer die cuts to stickers. I don't know why. I just do. They're easier to move around, and you know how much I struggle with stickers and adhesive and sticking things down before their time. But these fit the classic Happy Planner size. There are half boxes, there are monthly boxes, there are full boxes, there are sidebars. There's all kinds of fun things. And these phrases have, they're geared more towards planning, but for the most part, they all work perfectly for memory keeping as well. So we've got time to hit the ground running, high five for adulting. Each day is another chance to chase your dreams, celebrate victories large and small, taking care of business. Then we've got all of these little phrases like don't forget, on the list, plan on it. If you print these out as stickers, of course, they'll go directly in your planner very easily. All of my sticker sheets, even though Silhouette has upgraded their software and automatically creates cut lines if you want it to, all of my sticker sheets also come with Silhouette blackout files for those of you who do not like to use the auto-generated cut files, cut lines. We've got 3 different listing things here. And lastly, so those are all of the planner stickers on the planner sticker sheet. All right, so lastly, let's check out the digital kit so you can look at all of the digital embellishments. So this is what comes in the digital kit version available at sweetshopdesigns.com. You can see that there are frames, some mixed media, but most of the embellishments are also highly printable. There are paper butterflies and the flowers and some titles that are included in this portion of the collection. And here is the whole Bright Sunshiny Day collection all together in one view. You can see it's beautiful and colorful, and it will be a perfect backdrop for all of your coming spring and happy memories in the new year. So I will leave a link to the whole thing in the description box below, and I hope that you enjoy it and have a wonderful day. All right, thank you.